tour, just a quick trip through about half of the clock tower building, to give you an idea what that is. We will start it by going up about 20 some steps. So if anybody doesn't want to do those 20 steps, meet us down halfway down the building here. Other than that, then we'll go across. I was going to move my office upstairs when I first came over here. Yeah.
Well, maybe it'd be a better trade.
This space right here is currently being converted and cleaned up and redone and made into a co-working office space where you can come rent that space for a couple hours a week or whatever you want to do. So it's under construction. And
don't get anybody's car. That's going to be a free picture.
Great job, Mary. Thank you. Great job.
Mary got me on this History Week committee, so I can just still give them a grade.
Oh yeah, I was there and I just said.
Anyway, this is our event space.
Oh yeah, we're gonna
It's sprinkled, of course, we're ending up with the code.
Great.
This is part of that.